Hi there! In this video, I'm going to present to you the Vinca plant or the Periwinkle plant. And this is my Vinca plant. It is commonly called as Periwinkle. Sometimes this is also called as graveyard plant because it was used as burial headbands long time ago. Others called it old maid, bright eyes, Vinca rose, and many others. The scientific name is Catharanthus roseus. This plant is widely cultivated to beautify the homes and landscapes. It is also used for medicinal purposes as it contains drugs to treat some serious sickness like high blood pressure, diabetes, some cancerous illness, and many others. And this Vinca plant is native to Madagascar and it's spread all over the world now. And Vinca flowers many colors. It has pink, red, white, purple, and many others. They produce so many flowers all the year round, and most especially during summer. We can multiply Vinca or Periwinkle plant by means of seeds, cuttings, and plant division. Any method is easy. You can collect fruit of Vinca. The ones that are brown or yellow are white, and the ripe fruit of the Vinca plant can be readily grown directly in soil. The Vinca seeds are black and very small. Plant the seeds in a seed box or in a pot. And when it grows about 2 to 3 inches, it can be transplanted to individual starter plants. You can also take some cuttings. If you have 1 or 2 mature Vinca plants, you can easily make many more new Vinca plants. If you don't have and you want to try, you can buy a Vinca or Periwinkle plant at local plant nurseries. Water the Periwinkle 1 hour before taking cuttings. Then use a sharp scissors or pruning shears to cut the tip of the stem. Cut the stem about 2 to 6 inches long, remove the lower leaves, and plant in soil. Soon you will have many Vinca flowers growing. You can also divide or separate the Vinca plant. When the stem of the Vinca is under the soil, it will root, and it can be cut or separated along with the roots. The plant will easily grow. Some of your Vinca plant may rot. You can treat this by using any fungicide. Growing Vincas is very easy. It goes best as border plants, bedding, and ground covers. This is one of the beautiful flowers to see when it blooms. Vincas are beautiful flowers. In fact, gardeners like Vinca moss as landscaping plant that can grow in sun or shade. It spreads rapidly and thrives in dry or moist conditions. And this plant will grow well in full sun or in partial sun. This is drought tolerant. It can survive in very hot summer. Water Vinca every day, or you can do it every other day. Just make sure that your pot drains well to allow excess water to flow out your pot. It is a drought-tolerant plant and it does not really need so much water. But do not let the soil dry up. Always keep the soil moist. During summer and in times when there is no rain, be sure to water it every day. Full sun is best, but they can take part shade if there is good air circulation. If an area is too stuffy, the plant can develop fungal problems. And if this happens, you may use any kind of fungicide to treat the problem. This plant is hardy in nature. They don't need any specific type of soil. But your soil must be well draining. For me, I'm using 1 part loam soil, 1 part ordinary garden soil, and 1 part rice hulls to make my soil mix loose and draining. Vinca plant don't need so much fertilizers like other plants. But you may add some compost every month to make it grow healthier. In the long run, the soil becomes hard in your pot. Loosen the soil by digging 1 to 2 inches deep using any smaller tip tool. You may do it once a month or as soon as you see that the soil becomes hard. This will improve the soil aeration. It may break some roots, but it will enhance further growth of the plant. Generally, there is no need to pinching and deadheading to Vinca plants. If you like to make your Vinca or Periwinkle plant more blooming and bushy, you may pinch or cut off the tips of your plants. If you cut a branch, it will grow 2 or 3 shoots of new branches from that point. And more branches means more flowers. Caring for budding plants often includes pinching. And pinching means to remove new growth at the tips of the branches so the plants do not become leggy. And it's all for Vinca plant, and I hope that you enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.